Good morning, students. Hope you all are well. So today we are going to start the next chapter, that is chapter number 3, body types. So as you know, different individuals and different people have different body types. Some may be tall, some may be short, some are slim and some are round in shape. Okay, so there are a variety of body types, and generally it depends on their physical makeup and the genetical on their genetical trait also, on their heredity also, and in case of different lifestyle, level of fitness, what diet they are taking, what kind of food they are taking, some genetic factors. So all these are involved in the contribution of developing a body type. Okay, but we have to know, or we have to know what are the different body types, so that in case of sports also, in case of sports we can use this knowledge. In sports and game it is very important. So W.H. Sheldon classified the personality of individuals into following 3 categories. Okay, endomorph, mesomorph and ectomorph. As you can see, 3 individuals are there. Endomorph is very short in height, and weight also high. Next, mesomorph is quite normal, and the ectomorph, that are tall, they are very tall, and no such weight gain are there. So let's see what is endomorph. The first figure. So these individuals, they have short arms and legs, and their body is rounded in structure. Okay, so their physique is rounded in nature. Their limbs seem to be shorter because of the deposition of adipose tissue, means the fat tissue, and the upper part of the arms and the legs, that is significantly thicker than the lower parts, right? Why? That is because of the fat tissue or the adipose tissue. So it is very hard for them to lose their weight, and their body is soft. Muscles also not properly developed, underdeveloped muscles, and they have a high capacity for fat storage and become fat easily, right? So they can develop obesity very easily, and their excessive mass hinder the ability to compete in sports. It is difficult for them to compete in sports. In fact, sports require high level of agility or speed, right? Because in sports it is very required. So sports and games which require strength, such as weightlifting and powerlifting, these are suitable. That type of sports are suitable for these individuals. These individuals, like endomorph individuals, weightlifting and powerlifting, where strength are required. No, it is not related to speed. Okay, next is the next figure, that is mesomorph. So mesomorph are categorized in between these two body types, that is endomorph and ectomorph, and they are generally described as muscular. So they have the proper athlete physique and balanced body composition, muscle well developed, or they can increase their muscle size quickly and easily. Their chest and shoulder are larger than the waistline, means related to the waistline, it is larger and wider. They are physically capable of doing a lot of activities, and generally they store fat evenly all over their bodies, not only in some particular parts. Okay, so some sports which require great strength, short burst of energy, and lots of power, as they have enough strength, agility, or speed. So these characteristics make them strong contenders and can the top sportsmen in any kind of sports. It is not specific; they can choose any kind of sports. Next is the third individual, the third diagram, that is ectomorph. Okay, so these individuals are ectomorph, and their body is usually referred to as slim person, because their muscles and limbs are elongated, as you can see from the figure only, and they have weak constitution of the body, and they can face some difficulties in weight gaining. Okay, because they have the flat chest, and they have the less muscles also they have, and they do not have lot of strength, but they dominate the endurance sports, because their body type is naturally suited to perform wonderfully the endurance activities. Okay, so they have a quick metabolism to burn fat. They also have a tendency to stick with what they do best. The light body constitution make them suited for aerobic activities like gymnastics. There, so this individuals, ectomorph individuals, they are fitted for aerobic activities like gymnastics.